Okay, so we just want to let you know that when you run out of epoxy resin, that we got your back. We know you're going to have fun making the pyramids and all the other stuff that comes with the kit, and you're eventually going to run out of the epoxy. Well, guess what? We got your back. You can go to our Amazon and do search for Modda Epoxy Resin, and it'll pop up, and you just get to buy the resin. You don't have to buy the full kit all over again. You can just buy the resin from us. If you want to go straight there right now, you can look beneath the video, and there will be a link and it will take you straight there. But make sure when you run out that you come to us and we will sell you all the resin you want for all your crafting needs and wants.